Sephora is not cheap at all, and it's especially important to purchase only products that work. Hi everyone, AJ here. Today's video is gonna be my Sephora recommendations. As we all know, the Sephora spring sale event has already started. So this video I am so excited to make because I know a lot of you are looking for products to buy, especially right now. We all want to buy only the quality products instead of just buying the cheap products, right? So Sephora is not cheap at all, and it's especially important to purchase only products that work. So these are a few products that work for me. These are tried and tested products. I've been using this for quite some time now and I do enjoy them. So I hope you enjoy these kinds of videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you also have some recommendations for me like along the way, please do drop them on the comment section below. And I would appreciate it so much. If you do stay at the end of the video, there is a bonus. I have some tips for you, especially if you are purchasing products at Sephora for the first time. I was also clueless when I was starting, so I hope you do like the small tips at the end. So please do check it out. So my recommendations are split into 3 categories. So first one is the skincare category, which I would recommend 5 products. And for makeup, I'm also going to recommend 5 products. And then for hair care, I'm going to recommend 3 products. So on the skincare category, the first product that I would like to recommend is this Saturday Skin Refining Peel Gel. So it looks like this. So this product is so easy to use. You're just gonna get a tiny amount, probably like a pea-sized amount, and then you just spread it across your face and you just massage it for like a good 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then you will see instant exfoliation right there and then. So basically it would it's a chemical exfoliant and also almost like a physical exfoliant, because you would see like dead skin cells lifted up with the product as you massage it. So we're moving from winter to spring, so that's the reason why I'm recommending this product, is because we do need a good exfoliator to move from like our winter skin to our spring skin, right? So another product that I'd like to recommend is this Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel. So this is a mini, or like a travel size, I guess. And what I like about this one is that it's so refreshing, and I've never really liked a cleanser like this one. So it's oil-free, anti-wrinkle technology that clarifies and brightens with glycolic acid, salicylic acid, citric acid, extracts of peach, white oak bark, lemon, lime, linden, grapefruit, and argent. If you do have sensitive skin, I guess this is not for you. But if you don't have any sensitive skin, then I do recommend this one because it's so good. So whenever I use this product, my skin always feels like a baby spot. I don't know if that makes sense, but it does feel like it's so soft. And I guess it's because of the like the glycolic acid, salicylic acid, that's also like an exfoliant in itself, and I guess that's the reason why it does feel so soft whenever I'm using this. So you know how some of the cleansers, they do dry out your face after washing them? This one doesn't, and after you wash your face, it actually feels so soft, like I've said earlier. So I do highly recommend this product, and it works so well. So the next product that I would like to recommend is this Honeymoon Glow from Pharmacy. So this is what it looks like. It's a serum, and it's an AHA resurfacing night serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. So what I do like about this one is I started using this when I just had chickenpox. So I had chickenpox September 2019, and when I went to Sephora, one of the associates there recommended this product to me. And so what I do like about this product is that it definitely minimizes all the chickenpox scars that are left on my face after a couple of weeks. What I do like about this product, honestly, is that it do help with lightening all of my scars in my face. I haven't used it for acne marks, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work as well, because this product is formulated with 14% AHA, BHA, and flower acids to exfoliate, and a proprietary honey blend to hydrate. So it doesn't only exfoliate your skin, it also hydrates your skin, which is what I like the most, because I am already putting so much acids in my face with that cleanser that I'm using, and this one, it brings back all the hydration to my face, even though this is also an exfoliant. So another product that I would like to recommend is the Ordinary Toner. So this toner is the glycolic acid 7% toning solution, And this product is good if you're just starting, because if you're gonna start with the Honeymoon Glow, this one has 14% of acids in it, and this one has 7%. So if you want to add acids in your skincare, I recommend this one because this product doesn't break the bank. This is only, I believe in Canadian dollars, it's only $8.70. I'm gonna show a screenshot here. What I do like about this product is that it helped with brightening my skin. When I was in university, my skin is so dull. It's because I believe I was sleeping so late, working on so many things, and I do think that this helped brighten my skin complexion. So I do recommend this product. If you're just starting to add acids in your skincare, this is a big yes, because it doesn't break the bank. The last product that I'd like to recommend in the skincare category is the Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Resist 24 Intensive Eye Contour Cream. So this cream is so good, and it is my skincare savior. This is a product I'm going to recommend because in my age, you do know that aging starts showing up either in your eyes or in your neck, and it definitely starts showing in my eyes already. I do see some like tiny wrinkles in my under eye area. This product do help with minimizing all of those tiny wrinkle lines. As you can tell, I do like minis. And if you stay until the end, I do have a recommendation for you in terms of like buying products at Sephora. Personally, I don't like splurging into full-size product at Sephora right away, especially if I'm not sure if the product is gonna work for me. So that's the reason why I have these tiny products. And so that's it for my skincare recommendations. So we can now move on to the makeup recommendations. Yeah, so the first makeup product that I'd like to recommend is this Peach Perfect mattifying loose setting powder from Too Faced. What I like about this product is that it's very mattifying, and it does help with minimizing all the oil that I have on my face, especially at spring. So at spring, it starts getting warmer, right? And this product does help keep the oil away when I'm using it, and I do like this product. And again, this product smells like peaches, and I do love the smell of peaches, guys. And it's so funny because I bought the Laura Mercier powder first, because a lot of people, when I started watching YouTube videos, that's the main powder that everybody is recommending. And then when I tried this product, and of course I smelled it in stores and I enjoyed the smell so much, I ended up purchasing it. So I do enjoy this product so much, and it does help with, you know, locking in the makeup during the day and making sure that my foundation is in place, my concealer is in place, and all those other products. So the next product recommendation that I have is any powder from Hourglass, really. So Hourglass makes the most amazing powders in the market. What I do enjoy about their powders is that it's finely milled, and it doesn't make your face look cakey at all. And that's the reason why I'm recommending this product. With regards to the bronzer, which I also have here as well, their products, like their blushes, their bronzers, their highlighters, they do blend in your skin, and your skin looks like skin. So the next product I'm going to recommend is this curler from Kevyn Aucoin. So this is what it looks like. So this is what it is. It's just a curler on its own, but this product, you guys, it's so amazing. It helped with curling my lashes. I have Asian lashes, and this product right here, this Kevyn Aucoin curler, it helps so much with curling my lashes and keeping that curl. Like whenever I use this lash curler to curl my lashes, it does stay curled until tomorrow, if that makes sense. So I just curled my lashes today, and then I would sleep, and then I would wake up the next day and it's still curled. What I do like about this eyelash curler is that this band has been here for like months, and for some of my eyelash curler, that would be ripped by the time like it would get to like 3 months. But then for this one, the band is just like it's here, and it's clean, and it's very sturdy. So I do enjoy this eyelash curler. So if you're gonna purchase this, let me know in this comment section below, and then let me know if you like it as well. So the next product I have to recommend to you guys is this Pat McGrath Mothership Sublime Bronze Ambition Eye Palette. So this palette, I love it so much. This has sentimental value to me now because I used this palette during my graduation at university. And so that's the very first time that my dad and mom went with me to like an actual graduation. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys quickly so you can see it. So this is what it looks like swatch. So I'm pretty sure you guys can tell that it's very pigmented, and I do enjoy it so much. So what I do like about this palette is that it doesn't take any pro skills to blend it out. It's so easy to blend, it's so pigmented, and the color payoff is right there. I know these palettes are expensive, so now is the time to buy these palettes because it's discounted, right? So might as well go ahead and buy these quality palettes at Sephora. So the last product in my makeup category is this Tarte lip balm. So I think this is kind of a hybrid between a skincare and a makeup. So what I do enjoy about this Tarte lip balms is that it is very, very hydrating. My lips get chapped throughout the day, and this one, if I apply it in the morning, it's very juicy and it's very hydrating that I don't need to reapply it throughout the day. So I'm thinking of getting the Tarte lip balms that have pigments in it. If you do want to see my wish list or any of the products that I am going to buy, or even like an unboxing video of Sephora products that I bought, then please comment down below of your suggestions and I would love to do a video for you guys. So moving on to hair care, the first product that I would like to recommend to you guys is this Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. So this one stops frizz right away. So how I use this product is after I blow dry my hair and it's still a bit damp, I would apply this styling cream, and then I would just evenly apply it throughout. I would take like a dollop of this and I would just apply it from the tips of my hair up to until near the roots. I have a natural wavy hair, you guys. I don't curl my hair. If I don't use this product, sometimes my hair could go bananas. Or it could go places wherever it wants. But this thing right here, it does help with controlling the frizz in my hair. Also, another product that I'd like to recommend which controls the frizz in my hair is this Away Rose Hair and Body Oil. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced, Away. This is one of the things that I do enjoy the most as well. I used it today in my hair. So if you can see, my hair has a natural shine and it is very shiny I did use it in my roots today. That's why my hair is extra shiny in the roots. And I love this hair oil because sometimes my roots just don't want to stay. Like after I shower and after I blow dry my hair, my baby hairs just want to show up and just want to say hi to everybody. And this product just helps my hair so much in terms of giving it the natural shine as well as taming those baby hairs. So I do recommend this product so much, guys, in terms of if you have any issues with regards to taming your baby hairs or in terms of giving that shine that you want on your hair. This is the product that I recommend. And in terms of frizz, and if you want to have your hair smooth even though it's your second day hair already, I recommend this product, this Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. So the last product that I would like to recommend in the hair section is this Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Peppermint Oil Cooling Jelly Conditioner. So this product, it helped with my dandruff and it helped with making my hair smooth. Even though this product, it doesn't feel like the normal conditioner that you would get at the drugstore. Like normally with the conditioners that I use from the drugstore, they tend to smooth my hair out too much that sometimes it just ends up with no volume. But this product helped me so much in terms of taking care of my hair. I'm almost out with this one. I'm gonna repurchase it again probably during the sale. This product is so expensive though, so I usually get the things that I need during the sale because, you know, if you're gonna need a product and you're gonna keep repurchasing it, might as well stock up during the Sephora sale. So as I've said earlier, I have a bonus content for you guys, and this is my thank you for you in terms of watching my video up until this point. So I have 3 tips that I use whenever I purchase products at Sephora, and these are the rules, not necessarily like something that I can't break, but these are something that I follow whenever I purchase something at Sephora. So the first tip that I can give to you guys is don't just buy full-size products right away, especially if it's expensive and if you don't know if a product's gonna work for you, right? If you can get a sample or a mini size of it, then it's better. So for example, like this Saturday Skin, I got the mini, and that's the reason why I purchased this full-size product, because I did enjoy the mini so much that I purchased the full-size product. If I didn't try the mini first, I wouldn't know if my skin is gonna enjoy this product. So the next tip that I can give to you guys in terms of what to buy at Sephora, especially right now that there is a 20% off sale and you want to try a lot of products, is to buy products like Sephora favorites. So this is one of the things that I got during the fall sale. You can never go wrong with those Sephora favorites bundle. It's because those bundles are usually like whatever are mass favorites at Sephora, right? So many people would want to purchase like one product, but definitely do try to check out the Sephora favorites section before you purchase like a product on its own, because you might get your desired product at a discount. So one of the things that I got at a Sephora favorites box is this hourglass bronzer right here. One of the products that also came with this one is the Marc Jacobs gel liner, which I do enjoy so much. I used it today to tightline my eyes. That's one of the things that I do enjoy about purchasing this boxes, because you get to try like all of these high-end products, but they are all at a fraction of a price. The last tip that I can give to you guys in terms of what to buy at Sephora is, if you are already eyeing a specific product at a specific brand, do check out the products that are under that brand. So if you do check all of the products that are in the brand, you might find out that that product that you're looking for is in a set. So for example, this Honeymoon Glow serum, I've been eyeing this for months before I bought it, because I tried a sample at Sephora. So this product, I believe is over $70 if I just purchase this on its own. So when I checked this product during the fall sale, there was an option to purchase this in a bundle. So if I purchase just this product, it's going to be over $70. However, if I purchase it with the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser and the Honey Grail Pharmacy Ultra Hydrating Face Oil, so all of these products just come up to about over $80. So basically, I was able to purchase the product that I want to buy, which is this full-size serum, and it came with like a mini of a cleanser that I can try. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it, but I want to try it, as well as the oil. So I'm the kind of person who likes to try a lot of products at the same time, just to see how my skin is gonna react to it. I hope you enjoyed my tips as well as my recommendations. If you do like these kinds of videos, don't forget to hit the like button and also drop your suggestions at the comment sections below. Thank you so much for your time, and see you in my next video.